Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a profile picture to your Dropbox account. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. All you have to do is go to dropbox.com and hit on login. Now let's simply try to change the profile picture. Right here on the navbar, right next to the bell icon, you will see something like this that is called account. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. The button's right here, just above manage account. Simply click on it, and from here, as you can see, lots and lots of tabs. But currently, what we need to do is simply stay in the general tab. And if I just scroll below, right here under the basics tab, you can change your profile picture, that's photo, name, personal email, everything from right here. But currently, we're only gonna focus on the photo. And in the rightmost section, you will find a button like this that says edit. Simply click on it. And from here, denote that you can drag or drop or upload from your computer from right here, or simply choose from Dropbox. Well, it's up to you. I'm gonna upload one right now. Well, as you can see, I have uploaded an image and it's okay for me. So let's simply hit on done. In case you're not satisfied, you have the option to hit on this change photo button. And guys, that is it. As you can see, my profile picture has been changed. Well, that's it for the video guys. That's how you change your profile picture in your Dropbox account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.